Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I will show you how you can check your battery information. So at the first, you have to go for the Play Store and you have to get this application, Ampere from Brain Trap. If you get this application, you can simply open it, and when you make it, you will get this data, and it will look like that. So if you swipe on the right, you got other theme of the information. So you got the status, if it's plugged or not, the level, health, technology, maximum capacity, temperature, voltage, and base data like manufacturer, model, Android version, and build ID. And as you can see, currently temperature is 34, and when you go for the settings in the phone, we got the same temperature. But unfortunately, there's the only one data that we can find here: temperature and the charger today. There's nothing more. So if you want to check the data like that, you have to get the external application from the Play Store, for example the Ampere. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.